I think your mail's going to come tomorrow, Alexis. But you got some mail, Abby. Come here.
Hey.
Open it right here. Who's it from? Who's that from?
It's Santa! It's Santa!
What does it say, Abby?
I don't know what it says. Abby McGillis, 8-4 Silver Creek Parkway, from Nana.
Open it up and read it.
I want to have milk today, Dad.
Your mail will come tomorrow. I promise.
Daddy, I just know you have the smallest key. First, I gotta find it yourself. How do you know I got the mail?
Well, I went and checked the mail today, and there was mail in there for you. Wow. Open it up.
What is it? Guess it's from Santa.
Read it to me.
I don't know what it is.
Read it to me.
Hello, dear friend Abby. I think this was from Santa.
Read it to me. Let's find out.
I don't know what it says. Daddy?
Here, I'll help you with the hard words, okay?
Hello, dear friend Abby. It was such a nice
Treat.
treat to
Receive.
receive your letter. Reading it
Made.
made my favorite.
Chocolate chip cookies seem even tastier. We've had some busy years here at Santa's workshop, but this one might be a record. All the elves are working extra hard to make sure everything is ready for the big day. Time flies when you're having fun. Mrs. Claus and the reindeer are feeling... Oh, stop moving. I can't read it for you. Mrs. Claus and the reindeer are feeling great and are very excited for Christmas. They love it when you ask about them. I always get a chuckle and, oh goodness, that's a silly question from Mrs. Claus, even when someone asks how old she is. Our annual ski afternoon is tomorrow. It's nice to get a break from all the hard work. The hills here at the North Pole are amazing, and all the fresh snow we've had is sure to make this a great time. Mrs. Claus is a fantastic skier. She really shows off her skills on the slopes. We've got a special toy production underway right now, so I should get back to the workshop and make sure everything gets done before the ski trip. On Christmas Eve, I will place above your home a cloud made of
Tomorrow's Christmas Eve.
Yep. On Christmas Eve, I will place above your home a cloud made of peace and love, with a wish that the year 2014 will be filled with love and laughter.
All these hearts for love.
It was wonderful hearing from you this year. Please write again next year. Merry Christmas. Your friend?
Santa. So that means it's from him.
Yeah.
Daddy, I found the smallest key for your keys. See? Look.
Is there anything you want to say before I stop this video?
Yes, can you, I love you. Santa say thanks for the mail, okay?
I don't have Santa's number, but I'll put this video on YouTube and he'll see it.
Okay. We'll see Santa.
Nope, just say thanks to him right on this video.
Thank you, Santa, Thank you, Santa. I love you.
Okay, say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Thanks for the mail.